Hi everyone, GM Segundo here, and today we are going to look at this amazing tool. This is the CVW Swift800. Let's see what this thing can do. So now you've seen the product, and now let's see what came with the package. In the case, you can find two units, one transmitter and one receiver. This unit has a frequency output of 5 GHz and can transfer up to 1080p 60 fps. On the back of the unit, you can find an NPF style battery plate. With this battery, I got around 5 hours of use. The battery fits in the back like this and will slide out easily when pressed the release button. In the case, we get 5 antennas. Unfortunately, mine is missing one because the Philippine custom lost it. We also got a DC adapter with a 5.5mm locking thread plug. We got 2 HDMI cable, one is a full HDMI and the other one is a mini to full HDMI. And also we got a cold shoe. The Swift800 is made up of plastic, but when you hold it, you can feel that it is very well built. When booting up, it takes about 30 seconds and it starts pairing immediately. We have 4 basic functions and it is controlled with these 2 buttons. Short press the mode button to switch the audio from HDMI to line in. Press it again to revert it back. Short press the channel button to quickly switch the channel. The link indicator light turns solid red when stable connection is made. Long pressing the mode button for 3 seconds will activate the WPS pairing process. And did I mention that you can beam the video transmission to up to 3 smartphone devices? All you have to do is hold down the mode button on the receiver and the transmitter at the same time until the lights from both units turn red to green. Be sure to download the Crystal Vision wireless app and connect your phone to the Wi-Fi of the receiver and put the password found at the back of the receiver. After that, open the app, choose the Swift800 in the app. When connected, you can now see the live view within the app. And to make things better, you can also capture proxy videos and photos right there in your smartphone. I'm very happy that the company is very honest about the latency. The latency is about 60 to 70 milliseconds, meaning the Swift800 has minimal latency or minimal delay when transmitting videos. Now, let's talk about the distance. The Swift800 is advertised to go up to 800 feet away from the transmitter. So with that, let me show you how it performed during my range test. So alright guys, let's go. We will now test the range of the Swift800. So we are around 150 feet right now. So this is the largest event place that I would ever shoot. But it says that this can reach up to 800 feet, so let's try. There are some breakups when there are people or tricycles going by, but only last for a second. I think we're already at the max, so I don't know how far we are, but I think this is very far. And yeah, let's go back. So during my test, the Swift800 performed very well. I reached about 800 feet, and that's very far. For the real world case scenario, you will not shoot 800 feet away. You will only shoot around 100 to 300 feet. That's already a wide place. So that's the end of our video. I hope you learned something. And if you did, I would really appreciate you guys subscribing to my channel and hitting the bell notification icon for you to be notified when I upload new contents. So once again, this is JM Segundo, and see you on the next one. Bye.